our bylaws and the COMELEC's election rules, and upon the completion of the carried election held during the laureate night on 7 November 2025, the COMELEC hereby proclaims the following 11 Board of Directors officers-elect. Number 1, Engineer J. Johnson Yap of batch 1999. Ryan Oliver San Luis, batch 2001. Engineer John Peter New, batch 2002. Dr. Leslie Antubio, batch 2003. Alain Casloy, batch 2001. William Brian Chong, batch 2004. Richie Lester Lim, batch 2002. Hak Aaron Go, batch 2005. Lenin Gan, batch 2002. Michael Johnson Kong, batch 2001. And Edeline Marie Ong Saavedra, batch 2003. Congratulations. This under our bylaws, the association shall have a board of directors composed of 11 members and was duly open to nomination. Nominees ran unopposed, and each was carried by the body in accordance with our rules. Pursuant to our bylaws and the revised corporation code, the board of directors officer-elect shall take their oath and shall assume office upon proclamation and oath-taking unless otherwise provided by the bylaws. We direct the corporate secretary to enter this proclamation in association records and complete the required filing and updates with the Securities and Exchange Commission within the prescribed period. On behalf of the COMELEC, I confirm. On behalf of the COMELEC, congratulations to our Board of Officers-elect, Board of Directors Officers-elect, and thank you to all members, Board of Directors Officers-elect 2026, and thank you to all members who participated to ensure free, orderly, and credible elections. Maraming salamat po. Good morning, God bless.